Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Once again, my name is John. For those of you who are new, welcome. Basically, I want to go over a little bit about what this channel is about. So this channel is all about saving, promotions, discounts, unboxing, a little bit of review, but mainly it's all about saving money. So if that is something that you're interested in, then you have come to the right place. And usually what I try to do is I try to find deals and I'll bring it to you guys. And again, some of the deals, it could be gone like in minutes. So it's best that you subscribe to the channel, and if the channels have helped you in savings, money, $1 here, $1 there, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you give it a like. Other than that, like I said, I just want to bring the deals to everybody. And what I normally say is like, when the deal is too good to pass up, just buy now and regret later. Don't regret later by not buying it now. Okay, so enough said about that. Let's get into the special that we're having today. So first off, as you can see from the screen, we're looking at the Apple Watch Series 6. So this one right here, they have like different colors. Bless you. And right now, the discount that we're having is only on the red color. They call it product red. So regular price for this one is like $399, and currently you can save about $70. Okay, but if for those of you who really care about the colors, then you can get it at maybe $20 off, $379. Okay, they have pink, white, as well as black. And this model has a GPS model that lets you take calls and fly text from your wrist, measures your blood oxygen with all the new sensors and app, checks your heart rhythms with your ECG apps, and it's like supposedly 20% faster than the last Series 5. Okay, 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and U1 ultra wide chip. Track your daily activity on the Apple Watch and see your trends and your fitness on your iPhone. Okay, and if for those of you who has the extra money and you wanted to spend it on the cellular versions, you can also do so, and you get about $50 savings and $649. And I believe depending on your cellular provider, you can get it for $10 additional every month. That way you can use the watch by itself while you're doing jogging, biking, hiking, that sort of stuff, where you don't have to carry the actual cell phone with you. Okay, but I think for the majority of the people like myself, I can't leave the house without my phone. So I don't see the purpose of paying $10 additional. Okay, so the review you can see is here like 4.5 out of 11. That's for the cellular model. But if we go to the regular one, they probably have a lot more than that. I had 79s, and the review of Apple products has always been excellent. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. This is the MacBook Pro, and this will come with the new Apple chip. As you know, before, Apple has been in partnership with Intel, and they have been using Intel chips for so many years until recently they decided to have their own chip. And apparently with the last event, they stated that with their in-house chip, everything will be working together efficiently and effectively, so making everything supposedly fast. So right now, regular price is $14.99, and if you get it through B&H, you can save $100. Okay, so here they come with a couple colors: the silver one or the space gray, and for memory wise, it's 8 GB or 16, and the storage is 512, 1 TB, 2 TB, and 256. So, and the price will jump tremendously. So if we just click at 256, you're looking at $1,200, but if 512 is like $1,399, it's like $1,400. Okay, so it's quite a bit of money. So they also have the MacBook Air, and I've seen a couple of YouTube videos where the guy did a comparison on the Air alongside with the Pro, and he mentioned that it doesn't really the performance wise is not that big of a difference, and the MacBook Air doesn't have a fan and the MacBook Pro does, and usually the MacBook Air is a little bit cheaper. If you don't do a lot of video editing or hardcore photography, then I think you should be okay with the MacBook Air and save yourself some money. But if you're into like, do like a lot of like video editing, photos like that, so maybe it's better to stick with the Pro and spend a little bit more with it. Okay, so, and this is with the B&H, and if you're not familiar with B&H, if you apply for their in-house credit card, they will pay for your taxes. So that's all you'll be paying, just $13.99. Okay, so there's no taxes on top, which is great. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Costco. For those of you who has a Costco membership, right now they're having promotions on the action camera, the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This one will come with a bundle. Regular price is $339, and now you can get it for $279, which is like $60 off, and you can get it till within the next 2 days. So I have the 7 version, and I think I paid about $399. So, and with the GoPro is really great. You can take it in the swimming pool. You take it to the beach. To get good footage with it. Okay. So, and I don't know what to say. I do a lot of reviews. So I use for my my bike. The e-bikes and my scooters. So it's excellent. This one does come with a little micro SD card, 32 gigabyte, which is not much, but at least it's something. And it also comes with the stick here, and also the 2 batteries. Okay, and with you can go on eBay and you buy like a lot of accessories for about under $20. I bought this for like $18, and it got the harness for the chest, got the strap for the head, and a bunch of other accessories. So, which is excellent price. So if you add that all together, you'll probably be spending about a little bit over $300, and you have a good set of a camera that you can do a lot of fun with. Okay, and Costco, it is a membership, so you have to sign up with them. But if you are an executive, they call it, you can get 4% back as well. And if you use a CD card, there's going to be additional insurance on top. Okay, so which is good. This one right here, this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So this one right now is regular price is $139, but if you get it now, there's like automatically $50 added to the card, so it makes it a little bit cheaper, like about $80 something, and with the taxes come out to be $97.45. The difference between this one and the newer model, the 4, is this little clip right here. This one you cannot remove it, you stretch it, but the newer model, it has a magnetic you take it, you remove this whole thing right here, and it's on the back, it has a magnet thing where you clip it on, which is more convenient. Okay, but I think I paid $175 for the latest version, and I bought the DJ Fresh 2 additional. So, but if you don't need that and just want something, a gimbal, this would be a great price. Now $100. Same thing, B&H. You apply for a card, no taxes. Here, throw out there, this is Amazon, this is the endurance card. So for those of you who has like surveillance camera, body cam, all this stuff that are doing like a lot of recording, yeah, you don't want to use just a regular card. You want to use high endurance card, because this one is designed for it. And you can see here the review is like almost perfect 5 and has over 9,000 reviews. So for the price of 128 gigabyte for only $18.99. I have a Wise Cams. I have a lot of Wise Cams as we speak, and even though the Wise Cam says only recommended 32 gigabyte, I slam one of these in, and it works. It detects, it formats, and it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so $18.99, guys. I will list everything in the description, the link, to make it easy for you guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Here we have, which is a Vizio 36-inch 5.1.2 home theater sound system with Atmos. Okay, so a little bit about these numbers here. So when it says five, that means 5 speakers. Here it's inside this sound bar should be 5 individual speakers. Okay, so it's maybe and then one stands for the subwoofer, and number 2 is the Atmos. So that's what it means. So I don't have this kind of sound bar, and I usually have the traditional sound bar where you have the speaker placed on top of another speaker, or it's mounted on the ceiling. So I have those, and I really like Atmos effects. But for this, I haven't tried, so I can't really tell you if it's really good. But for the price, $209, I think that's an excellent buy. And looking at the reviews that we have, it's like 64% saying that it's a 5 stars, and 4 stars 17%. There's like maybe about 8%, and then 2% for 1, and then 2% for 2. So you can see here, people are loving this because I think Vizio is one of the brands out there that are making like cheap, affordable, and the quality is not bad at all. Okay, so if you're looking for, or you want to like try out the Atmos effects of it, what it is it gives you the impressions that helicopters flying on top over your head, you know, so which is good, which is like as if you were in there in the theater or in the movie. Okay, so here I just want to throw this in there. This is the same MacBook Pro 13.3 that we're looking at from prior one from the B&H, but Costco does have it $49 more expensive. Okay, so if you want, just buy it from B&H. So Costco is not always cheaper. Okay, so that's pretty much wrapped up for this video. Like I said, if you watched all the way to the end, thank you very much. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. Until next time, today is Saturday. I've been out quite a bit, having a blast with my siblings, and but however, I still managed to throw out videos for you guys. So other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.